Hi students, today I am going to teach you how to do warm up. Yeah, come on students, get ready. Stand straight, hands on your hip, on my count. Look up and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Down, 2, down, 3, down, 4, down, 5, down, 6, down, 7, down, 8, change. Excellent, excellent. Now look right and left. On my count. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, 2, left, 3, left, 4, left, 5, left, 6, left, 7, left, 8, change. Lovely, lovely. Now hold your chin, push your head back, look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now hold your head, look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bend your head right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And left side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now rotate your head right to left and left to right. Each 8 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Now move your head front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now bend your head right and left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now look up towards your right side back diagonal and look towards your left shoulder. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
This video is sponsored by Karthik Cafe.
I hope you all enjoyed it. Press the like button and share with your friends. Subscribe and stay tuned to learn more. Now you see my posture. Slightly raise your hands from the hip. Now we are going to lock the shoulders and release. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.